Homemade roasted chicken machboos with cashew nuts mix, affordable recipe for beginners. Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a step-by-step guide on how to make homemade roasted chicken machboos with a delightful cashew nut mix. This recipe is not only delicious but also affordable, perfect for beginners who want to impress with their culinary skills. So, let's dive into the world of flavors and learn how to create this mouth-watering dish. Don't forget to hit that subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and ring the bell for more amazing recipes. Let's get started. First things first, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for our homemade roasted chicken machboos with cashew nuts mix. 1. Whole chicken, around 3 to 4 pounds. 2. Basmati rice, 2 cups. 3. Mixed spices, 1 tablespoon. 4. Ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon. 5. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. 6. Dried lime powder, 1 teaspoon. 7. Fresh cilantro, chopped, 1 cup. 8. Fresh tomatoes, diced, 2 medium-sized. 9. Onion, finely chopped, 1 large. 10. Garlic, minced, 4 cloves. 11. Chicken broth, 4 cups. 12. Vegetable oil, 1/4 cup. 13. Salt and pepper to taste. 14. Cashew nuts, ½ cup. Preparation. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Follow along, and soon you'll be creating a culinary masterpiece in your own kitchen. Preparation, Part 1, Marinating the chicken. Step 1, Marinating the chicken. In a large bowl, combine the mixed spices, ground turmeric, paprika, dried lime powder, and salt. Mix them well to create a flavorful spice rub for our chicken. Now, rub this mixture generously all over the chicken, ensuring it's evenly coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow those spices to penetrate and infuse the chicken with amazing flavors. Preparation, Part 2, Cooking the rice. While the chicken is marinating, let's move on to the rice. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch and prevents the rice from becoming too sticky during cooking. In a separate pot, heat some vegetable oil. Add the chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté until they become golden brown and aromatic. Once the onions and garlic are ready, add the diced tomatoes to the pot. Cook them until they become soft and start breaking down to form a delicious base for our machboos. Tomato cooking process. Now, add the rinsed basmati rice to the pot and mix it well with the tomato-onion mixture. Rice mixing process. Pour in the chicken broth, and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer until the rice is fully cooked and has absorbed all the liquid. Simmering process. While the rice is cooking, let's move on to the next step. Preparation, Part 3, Roasting the chicken. Now that our chicken has marinated, it's time to roast it for that perfect golden finish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Preheating process. Place the marinated chicken on a roasting pan or baking sheet, and pop it into the preheated oven. Roast it for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Roasting process. As the chicken is roasting, let's prepare a delightful cashew nut mix to add a crunchy texture and extra flavor to our machboos. Preparation, Part 4, Cashew nut mix. In a pan, dry roast the cashew nuts until they turn golden brown. Be sure to keep an eye on them, as they can quickly go from golden to burnt. Cashew roasting process. Once roasted, set the cashew nuts aside. In the same pan, add a bit of vegetable oil and toss in some fresh cilantro. Sauté until it becomes aromatic. Cilantro sautéing process. Now, mix the roasted cashew nuts with the sautéed cilantro. Mixing process. Our roasted chicken should be about ready. Let's check on it. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. If it has, you're good to go. Remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before carving. Carving process. Our rice should be done by now. Fluff it with a fork, and you'll notice the aromatic flavors and beautiful colors. Fluffing process. Now, it's time to assemble our homemade roasted chicken machboos with cashew nuts mix. Place a generous serving of the flavorful rice on a plate. Top it with succulent pieces of our perfectly roasted chicken. And, of course, don't forget to sprinkle our cashew nut mix over the top for that extra special touch. Assembly process. And there you have it, our homemade roasted chicken machboos with cashew nuts mix. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed following along with this affordable recipe for beginners. If you try it out, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you very much roasted chicken machboos with cashew nuts mix lovers.